Don't think about eggs. This high-protein seed combats sarcopenia. Quicker. The value of the global protein market exceeds $1.4 trillion. Here's the reality, though. No one informs you that it is based on a falsehood. They led us to believe that the best ways to gain muscle were through eggs, smoothies, and powders. They're not. They don't build muscle. They make money. According to TIS University clinical studies, your body only absorbs around half of the protein from animal sources after the age of 60. The remainder simply flows through, never getting to the parts of your muscles that are most in need of it. What the large businesses do not want you to know is this: little seeds. Indeed, 1 tablespoon of seeds contains up to 7 grams of full bioavailable protein. Food lobbyists spent $4.6 billion in 2023 to maintain the emphasis on egg protein and discredit more than 30 clinical studies that showed that, in terms of muscle repair and absorption, seed-based protein is superior to whey, casein, or even lean meat. Why does this not make the front page? Since it jeopardizes their business plan. Millions of elderly people are subtly losing strength every day in the meantime. A senior's muscles go out and they fall once every 11 seconds. Most have already lost around 40% of their muscle mass by the time they are 70. Half of them are unable to lift their own weight by the age of 80. Here's the breakthrough, though. Adults over 65 who included these seeds in their regular meals were monitored by nutrition and metabolism researchers. Lean muscle increased by 18% and inflammation decreased by 40% in just 6 weeks, and a 31% increase in grip strength without the need of supplements, powders, or gym exercises. Just actual food. More startlingly, one of these seeds increased recovery strength by 33% in less than 2 weeks and outperformed eggs by 70% in terms of muscle fiber formation. Thus, we are revealing the truth today. These 5 potent seeds can help you regain your strength more quickly than you may have imagined, fight sarcopenia organically, and have protein content superior to eggs. Before we get started, though, please share in the comments when you first noticed a change in your strength or balance. Every single one is being read by us. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the 5th number. Ancient warriors used this little but powerful seed, which is now supported by research for its amazing ability to develop muscle. Pumpkin seeds are number 5. The majority of people discard them without realizing they are discarding one of the world's most potent, natural muscle builders. About 9 g of total protein, more than a single egg, can be found in just 1/4 cup. These tiny green seeds are an ideal source of protein that your muscles can use immediately for growth and repair, because they include all 9 essential amino acids, which your body is unable to produce on its own. In 6 weeks, persons over 60 who consumed just 30 grams of pumpkin seeds daily saw an 18% gain in grip strength, according to research from the University of Michigan. That is significant since hand power is only one aspect of grip strength. It's a reliable indicator of your lifetime and general muscle health. But it's not just their protein that makes pumpkin seeds unique. That's what makes that protein truly function. You can get roughly 37% of your daily magnesium requirements from a single serving. And the key that opens the door for protein to enter your muscle cells is magnesium. Even the greatest protein cannot function without it. Additionally, they contain 7 times as much zinc as eggs, which increases growth hormone and testosterone. Both are essential for maintaining muscular mass after age 60. Consider Margaret, an Ohio teacher who is now retired. Her physician alerted her to the rapid deterioration of her muscles. She began consuming a tiny handful of pumpkin seeds every day. She was able to lift her grandchildren pain-free and with renewed vigor after just 2 months. These seeds have that kind of power. They also provide you with phosphorus to maintain healthy muscle contraction and iron to transport oxygen to your muscles. Your muscles become easily fatigued and begin to tremble as those drop. Alpha-linolenic acid and other omega-3 fatty acids help your muscles absorb nutrients more effectively, while pumpkin seeds also boost insulin responsiveness and reduce inflammation with natural substances called cucurbitins. Additionally, they offer tryptophan, which promotes deeper sleep, which is when the majority of muscle regeneration takes place. These nutrients complement one another and increase the advantages of each other. Consume them as seed butter, raw or roasted. Their digestibility is even improved by lightly toasting them. These nutrients are in high demand by your muscles, and the next seed on our list may be even more potent. But before we continue, please hit the bell to like and subscribe because what follows could actually improve your health. 4th, hemp hearts. One of nature's best-kept secrets for aging muscles is these little seeds. You get about 10 grams of complete protein from just 3 tablespoons, which is significantly more than eggs provide. Edestine protein, a rare kind of protein that nearly exactly resembles the protein found in human muscles, is what makes hemp heart unique. Because of this, it can be absorbed and utilized by your body up to 98% more efficiently than most plant proteins, which only reach about 48%. That is a significant difference for those over 60. In older adults, hemp protein boosts muscle protein synthesis 34% more than whey, according to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. The reason for this is that hemp contains the ideal proportion of vital amino acids that aging bodies require. Arginine, one of them, opens blood vessels and boosts blood flow to muscles by as much as 40%, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the precise locations where they are most required. Even if we consume enough protein, a large portion of it does not reach our muscles because blood flow slows down with age. That is fixed by hemp hearts. They contain branched-chain amino acids, which prevent muscle breakdown when inactive, as well as all 20 amino acids, including the 9 essential ones. Gamma-linolenic acid, which reduces muscular inflammation, is also abundant in them. In one Canadian study, older adults who consumed hemp components recovered from activities twice as quickly and experienced 50% less soreness. Former runner Robert, 72, was unable to ascend stairs without pausing. He started hiking 5 miles every weekend after incorporating hemp into his breakfast. Because iron insufficiency affects nearly 1/3 of seniors and causes weakness and exhaustion, hemp pieces also provide you with 45% of your daily iron needs. They contain sulfur compounds that help your body produce glutathione, the strongest antioxidant that guards against aging-related damage to muscles. Hemp heart's 3.1 omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio enhances exercise responsiveness and lowers inflammation, which degrades muscle. Their combination of magnesium and phosphorus increases muscular contraction by 25%. Even the chlorophyll within them helps muscles use oxygen more efficiently and increases endurance by 20%, while vitamin E protects muscular fibers. However, our third seed goes much beyond. In muscular tissue, it might even reverse the aging process. The third item is chia seeds. Despite their unassuming appearance, these little seeds are among the finest nutrients to prevent muscle loss. 5 grams of full protein and a unique gel-forming fiber that alters how your body uses it are both included in only 2 tablespoons. Chia seeds and liquid combine to create a gel that slows down digestion and maintains an amino acid supply to your muscles for up to 6 hours. Chia provides your muscles with continuous assistance, as opposed to a brief protein boost like eggs or powders do. According to a Stanford University study, seniors who consume the same amount of protein from ordinary diets maintain 41% more muscle. 1 serving of chia seeds provides roughly 18% of your daily calcium requirements. Muscle contractions require calcium, and insufficient calcium can result in cramps, weakness, and accelerated muscle atrophy. Actually, beyond age 60, calcium shortage is more likely to develop muscle issues than protein deficiency. Additionally, the calcium in chia is easier to absorb than that in milk. Antioxidants, including quercetin and caffeic acid, which are abundant in these seeds, shield your muscle cells from aging-related damage. No amount of exercise or protein can prevent muscle loss, as your muscles' engines, the mitochondria, weaken with age, but chia helps keep them healthy. Before, Dorothy, a 68-year-old grandma, had trouble carrying her groceries. She resumed doing push-ups after incorporating chia seeds into her diet for 3 months. With 11 grams of fiber per serving, chia promotes the growth of beneficial intestinal flora and enhances protein absorption by up to 30%. Phosphorus, a mineral that aids in muscle repair after exercise, is also present in chia. Phosphorus deficiency affects nearly half of older persons, resulting in weakness and a delayed recovery. These seeds even contain more omega-3s per gram than salmon, which can assist increase muscle nutrition utilization and reduce inflammation. Additionally, chia contains manganese, which fortifies connective tissues and prevents muscle damage. Additionally, it increases hydration, which keeps muscles functioning properly because dehydration alone can reduce strength by 20%. The nutrient combination in chia even aids in the production of IGF-1, a hormone that promotes muscle growth and decreases by half after the age of 60. Additionally, chia seeds include boron, which aids in the body's utilization of calcium and vitamin D, 2 essential nutrients for strong muscles. Additionally, Chia seeds prevent your muscles from breaking down for fuel since they digest slowly, providing consistent energy throughout the day. However, our second seed goes much farther. It aids in the regeneration of injured muscular tissue. Flax seeds come in at number 2. Despite their seemingly straightforward appearance, these little brown or golden seeds are among the greatest nutrients for maintaining and regaining muscle mass as you age. You can get 6 grams of high-quality protein and something even more potent, lignans, with just 2 tablespoons of ground flax. These substances counteract the alterations that accelerate muscle loss beyond age 60 and regulate hormones. They function similarly to weak estrogen, but rather from doing you any harm. A study from the Mayo Clinic revealed that they really help men and women balance their testosterone and estrogen levels, which increases muscle growth by 28% in just 10 weeks. Alpha-linolenic acid, a plant omega-3 that is abundant in flax seeds, is converted into the same beneficial fats as are present in fish oil. According to studies, these omega-3s are more effective than pills at reducing muscular inflammation in seniors. They aid in maintaining the flexibility of your muscle cell walls, which allows waste products to escape and nutrients to enter. Muscles weaken and recover slowly, as a result of those membranes becoming rigid with age. Additionally, flax seeds contain unique proteins known as cyclopeptides that aid in triggering the stem cells responsible for mending and repairing damaged muscle tissue. In just 12 weeks, persons over 60 who consumed 30 grams of powdered flax daily grew more than 2 pounds of lean muscle without altering their exercise regimen, according to a University of Toronto study. After included flax in his morning smoothie, retired firefighter Tom reversed 5 years of muscle loss in just 4 months. Additionally, these seeds provide copper to help build the connective tissue that maintains muscle strength and thymine to help you convert food into energy. Flax's magnesium helps muscles function better, increasing walking speed by 23% in 8 weeks, while its fiber feeds beneficial gut flora that enhance protein absorption. Flax also includes SDG-lignin, an antioxidant that reduces muscle damage by almost half, and vitamin B6 for improved muscle coordination. Even flax's mucilagin aids in your body's improved protein absorption. Flax seeds naturally provide the precise nutrients your muscles are craving. However, the top seed on our list performs an even more potent function. It aids in the cellular reversal of sarcopenia. Black sesame seeds come in first. Despite their seemingly straightforward appearance, these small black seeds are among the most effective natural remedies for muscle loss. 5 grams of protein are included in just 2 teaspoons. However, a substance known as sesame is what really sets them apart. Sesame increases muscle protein synthesis by 47%, according to research from Kyoto University in Japan. Even more amazing is the fact that it actually alters the way your genes function, activating the genes that promote muscle growth and inhibiting the genes that lead to muscle loss. To put it simply, it makes aged muscles look younger. The same antioxidants that give blueberries their rich color, anthocyanins, are also present in black sesame seeds, but in up to 15 times greater concentrations. One of the primary causes of muscular weakness with aging is oxidative damage, which these antioxidants guard against in your muscle mitochondria. Additionally, they are rich in calcium, magnesium, and copper, 3 minerals that your muscles require in order to transmit the electrical signals that cause them to contract. You can't have healthy muscles if you don't have enough of these. According to a Japanese study, older adults who consumed 30 grams of black sesame seeds daily not only stopped losing muscle but also gained almost 3.7 pounds of lean mass in just 8 weeks, all without engaging in more physical activity. 1 serving of black sesame seeds provides you with almost 88% of your daily requirement for calcium, making it the food with the highest plant-based calcium content. A lack of calcium affects more than simply bones. In order to maintain steady blood calcium levels, it makes your muscles break down tissue. These seeds' sesame also has potent anti-inflammatory properties, reducing muscle inflammatory indicators by 62% in clinical studies. By doing this, they assist muscles in growing and repairing rather than remaining under continual tension. Before adding black sesame tahini to her breakfast, Martha, an 81-year-old retired nurse, could hardly get out of her chair. 6 weeks later, she was gardening by herself once more. The fast-twitch type 2 muscle fibers that give you strength and balance but rapidly deteriorate with age are protected by the vitamin E in black sesame. The protein profile of these seeds is almost the same as that of animal sources, since they also contain methionine, a rare amino acid that is absent from most plants. About 25% of your daily requirements are met by zinc, which also promotes testosterone and growth hormone, two essential hormones for maintaining muscle mass after age 60. Sesamin boosts satellite cells, the stem cells that rebuild muscles, by 38%, according to research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, supplying your body with additional resources to organically repair tissue. Lastly, phosphorus, which is found in black sesame seeds, combines with protein to form phosphocreatine, the essential energy source for all powerful muscular contractions. Phosphorus-rich seniors are up to 40% stronger than those with low levels. Additionally, they include special peptides that increase muscle tissue's sensitivity to insulin, which enhances nutrition absorption in older adults, including those with diabetes. These nutrients work together to produce what scientists refer to as the sesame effect, a natural process that can really reverse several muscle aging indicators at once. Actually, increasing protein intake isn't the only way to combat sarcopenia. It all comes down to providing your body with the proper protein, paired with the nutrients that facilitate its actual utilization by your muscles. In addition to having a higher protein content than eggs, these 5 potent seeds offer the ideal balance of minerals, antioxidants, and organic substances that address the underlying factors that contribute to muscle loss as we age. Start out easy. Include 1 seed in each meal. Add chia seeds to yogurt. Add ground flax to smoothie mixtures, or mix oatmeal with black sesame seeds. Build from there. You'll start to notice noticeable results in a few weeks. Stronger muscles, more consistent energy, and a renewed sense of vitality. At any age, your body has been waiting for these nutrients to halt the gradual loss of muscle, restore equilibrium, and give you the power and self-reliance you deserve. Powders and pricey supplements are not necessary. All you need is healthy diet that complements rather than contradicts your body. Please leave a remark if you've tried any of these seeds or if you've seen a change in your strength. We really do read them all. Watch the channel's next video if you want to learn more easy, scientifically supported strategies for maintaining your health and strength. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next.